Hello everyone, welcome to BAi TV. I'm your embroidery assistant, Alan. Today, we are going to talk about how to solve the error main axis not turn. In this video, we will go over two common reasons why the main axis will not turn. First, the main axis might be jammed. Second, the driver connection cable could be loose. I will walk you through how to figure out which issue it is and how to fix it with the right way. First, when you see the message main axis not turned on the screen, try manually turning the main axis knob. If it doesn't move, it's mostly likely jammed. But if it turns smoothly, then the issue is probably a loose connection cable on the driver. Let's start with how to fix the jammed main axis. This issue usually has two causes. The first is a broken needle. When a needle breaks and gets stuck in the rotary hook, it can prevent the main axis from turning. The second is the lack of lubrication. If the main axis hasn't been oiled properly, it can stand up and stop moving. If the issue is caused by the broken needle, we can look for the broken needle tip first. If you can't find it, it's possible that the broken needle tip is stuck inside the rotary hook. At this point, we can use the tool to lose the needle plant screws and remove the needle plant. Then check the rotary hook for any broken needle pieces. If you find any, just use the pillars to carefully remove them. After cleaning everything, reattach the needle plant and tap 100 test on the screen. The machine should be back to normal. If you have checked and there's no broken needle, then the main axis might be stuck due to lack of oil. In this case, you will need to lubricate it. Use oil that came with your machine and apply 3 drops to each of the key points on the main axis. After the oiling, make sure to manually turn the main axis knob a few times to help the oil fully penetrate. Then press the 100 button to bring the main axis back to 100 degrees, and your machine should be back to normal. Now let's talk about the second situation. If you see the main axis not turn warning, but you can still turn the main axis knob smoothly by hand, then the issue might be a loose connection in the driver cable. Here are the steps to follow. Step 1. Turn off the machine. Step 2. Open the cover on the right rear of the machine. And unplug all 4 connections on the driver. Then plug them back in securely. Step 3. Turn on the machine, then press 100-degree button. Wait until the screen shows that the main axis has returned to 100 degrees, which indicates the issue is resolved. Finally, put the cover back on, run an embroidering test, and you are all set. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to follow us for more embroidering tips and tutorials.